Hey guys, Eric with HB Leatherworks. Not smoking this time. Ha ha ha, there you go. I will later. I've been asked how I do my snap loops for inside the waistband holsters. Now, I'll give you a real easy, quick definition. This is an OS Pro. This is a modified summer special. If you look right here, this is a 6x32 T-nut. You can get them at a hardware store. If you look, the three prongs are actually poking through the leather. I'll get to that later. I do use pull-the-dot fasteners. You can see the top, this part is set, and then I use that part, and I use a 6x32 taper head screw to put the whole things together. Now here's what the loop looks like. These have all been dyed and clear coated, buffed, you name it. I mean, this is going to ship today. Anyway, you can see how they're put together. Make sure the locking mechanism for the pull the dot is at the bottom. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is put that loop, make sure you got the cant right, and I get the third part of the pull the dot. Now this is a 6x32 screw. There is red Loctite on it, which you need to use on everything, folks. Anyway, I screw that in. Now the reason why I don't cut off the prongs of my T-nut and I actually sink them in the leather is some people want to replace these loops with a different size. Sometimes they get hurt. But if you cut the prongs off the T-nut, it has the possibility, or I guarantee you it actually will, it'll spin in between those two layers of leather. So what I do is lock it into the holster, and that prevents it from spinning in case I need to replace a loop later on. Anyway, pretty simple. Like I'll pull the dots, the locking mechanism has to be locked first at the bottom, roll it over and snap it. Same with this. And you have a finished OS Pro. And I know a lot of guys will put the T-nuts like on the very back and poke them through both sides of leather. That works, but I like to keep just leather on my client. Plus it kind of looks tacky. So, just a tip. This one is actually in between the mouth band. You can see where that one is. Nothing special, same process, just different location. Anyway, I hope that answers your questions. Thank you.